Welcome back, children. Once again in e-learning classes, science class. Once again, we are here to study chapter 4. We are studying chapter 4, that is the separation of substances. Separation of substances. Variety of method of separation we have studied in the earlier classes. Now, 1, 2 or 3 method of separation is left over. So we will study one by one all the method of separation, and we are just reaching at the end of the chapter. So today I have taken the method of separation, that is the centrifugation. Centrifugation process. Centrifugation process is just the same as the sedimentation process, but little bit different because all the mixtures are not separated by the same process of separation. So there is a variety of method of separation of the substances, in which centrifugation is the method to separate some components from the mixture. And what type of mixture is separated by this method? So mixture that are very fine, mixture in which very fine particles are suspended. Very fine particles are suspended in the mixture. So such type of mixture is separated by the method of centrifugation. So today I have written the definition of the centrifugation on the board. Let us see, and you write down this definition in your fair copy. Let us see the definition. I will have written in the board. Just look at the board now. This is the chapter 4. Chapter 4 is this, and which method of separation is taking up today? This is the centrifugation. Centrifugation process. So what is the definition of this process? What is the definition of this process? Look at here. Centrifugation is a method. Centrifugation is the method used to separate, what separate? Very fine particles. Fine particles. Where? Suspended in the liquid. In a liquid, very fine particles are suspended in a liquid. So such a type of fine particles are separated by centrifugation process. During this process, what happened? The mixture of very fine particles in the liquid are rotating the mixture at a high speed. Mixture get rotated at high speed so that the lighter particle suspend at the top of the mixture and heavier will settle at the bottom, just like sedimentation process. Look at once again on the board. Centrifugation is a method used to separate fine particles suspended in a liquid by rotating the mixture. Rotating the mixture means like this rotation. Rotating the mixture at a high speed. When the mixture will rotate at a high speed, so what will happen? Lighter particle float at the top of the mixture and heavier particle will settle at the bottom of the container. So this is the centrifugation. This centrifugation process involve a machine that is called centrifuge. Centrifuge. This centrifuge is a machine. Centrifuge is a machine. The centrifugation process done with the help of this centrifuge machine. What is separated by this method? Look at here. I have written separating. Number 1, butter from cream. Butter is separated from the cream. Blood cells are separated from plasma. Next one, cream is separated from milk. Look at here. 3 example I have given. 3 example I have given. First example is the butter from cream, blood cells from plasma, and cream from milk. So such type of mixture gets separated by centrifugation method by the use of centrifuge machine. This machine helps in separation of butter from cream, blood cells from plasma, and cream from milk. Today I have also decided to demonstrate an activity as I have possible in my house. I have performed a activity. Just wait. Let us start activity centrifugation. Today I have collected few materials and the rotating machine also. This is the, look at here, this is mixer grinder. This one is the mixer grinder. Your mama also uses such mixer grinder for separating butter from cream and the spices and the sauces. This is the mixer grinder I kept here. Look at here. This is cream. This is cream. I will take out butter from this cream by rotating the mixer at high speed by using such machine grinder, mixer grinder machine. So first of all, I am keeping this cream into this jar. Look at here. Look at here. Look at here. This is cream. I am keeping this cream inside the jar. Look at here. This is the cream in the jar. Look at here. Cream. This is. I will rotate this mixture, that is the cream, at high speed. I am just keeping this lid over the jar. I am keeping such a lid over the jar. Okay. And I will just rotate this mixture at high speed on this machine. This machine also acts as a centrifuge. Centrifuge is a machine. This is used for the separation of butter from cream. Okay. Let us start for 2 or 3 minutes to rotate such mixture at high speed. Listen. Yes, after 2 or 3 minutes, I will just take out this mixture. Okay. Okay. Look at here. Look at here. After rotating the mixture at high speed, look at butter is floating at the top of the mixture. Butter is floating at the top of the mixture. Look at here. This is butter. This is the butter that are floating in the top of the mixture. Look at, there is a liquid, and these are the solid butter, because butter is lighter than the milk and the water. Okay. Look at here. This is butter. So I will transfer this butter in cold water. I will transfer this butter in cold water. Just be clear how butter is separated from the cream. Look at here. Look at here carefully. This butter gets separated from the cream. Look into the pan. This pan having cold water, so that the butter becomes harder. Butter becomes harder. Look at here. This butter is floating in water. Look at here. This is butter. So today I have separated this butter from the cream. Look at the leftover material. That is the heavier than butter. Butter are floating at the top of the container. So I have separated the butter in this pot. This pot having cold water, so that the butter becomes harder. So that you have clearly understood how the butter gets separated from the cream. So I think you have understood this process, centrifugation process. And which mixture gets separated? Butter gets separated from the cream. Look at here. This is butter. Look at here. This is butter. This butter gets separated from the cream by the use of this mixer grinder. How? The mixture get rotated at high speed, so that butter just float over the top of the container. I have just separate the butter from this pot to the cold water, and this butter get harder. In this way, I just separate the butter from the cream. I think you have understood clearly what is centrifugation and how the butter gets separated from the cream. You better understood? It is clear. Now today I conclude my class.